Hello everyone, let's discuss ESE problems. First one is the response of an initially relaxed system to a unit ramp excitation is what? T plus e power minus t. Its step response will be what? So we know that step response is what? We can represent with what one, right? Like that ramp is equals to what? T, right? So simply to get step response, which is equals to d by dt of ramp, right? See, so d by dt of t is nothing but what? 1 only. So to get step response, it is nothing but differentiation of ramp response only. Therefore, given that the ramp is what? T plus e power minus t. To get step response, we have to differentiate that ramp. So which is equals to d by dt of, this is the example, right? From this example, we can conclude that step response is nothing but differentiation of ramp response. D by dt of ramp is given as t plus e power minus t. So what is the differentiation of d by dt of t? Simply it is what? 1, which is equals to what? Minus e power minus t. That's it. Very simple. Okay, option B is correct. Next one, the steady state in the circuit shown in the figure, given figure is reached with S open. When S is open, the circuit is reached to steady state condition. When S is closed at t is equals to 0, the current I is what? With S open, capacitor gets charged to what? Vc 0 minus, which is equals to 2 into 2, which is equals to 4 volts, right? The circuit at t, which is equals to 0 plus, then the circuit becomes what? When t is equal to 0 plus, what we have? When it is open condition, we are having this 4 volts of capacitor voltage. So when at t is equal to 0 plus, we have to represent the capacitor voltage as source voltage of 4 volts, right? This is 1. Now it is represented with what? Plus minus 4 volts, this 4 volts, and we have what? 2 ohm branch. This is 1 ohm, this is 2, this is what? 2 amps. So let us say he gives that I, let us say this is V, okay, let us say this is V. From this by KCL, minus 2 is entering, plus E by 2, you can have E by 4 minus 1, which is equal to 0. From this, V is equals to what? Minus 4 plus V, which is equals to 4 volts only. So V is 4 volts. The node voltage is nothing but 4 volts only. Therefore, current through that branch is what? This current is what? 4 by 2, right? Therefore, current through 2 ohm branch is nothing but 4 by 2, which is equals to what? 2 amps of current. And we have to write one important note. Charged capacitor would not let the current flow through 1 ohm resistor as potential difference across it would be 0, right? Then the current through is nothing but 2 amps. Next one, in the circuit shown in the figure, the switch is closed at t is equal to 0. Then the current through the capacitor will decrease exponentially with a time constant. See, given that the current through the device will decrease exponentially, that is e power minus t by tau. That's it, right? So V is equals to, from this, V which is equals to 10, right? Even that, yeah, when it is open, that is the voltage across this is nothing but, when the switch is open, we don't have any energy. The circuit is under de-energized condition when the switch is open, right? At that position, what is the voltage? Which is equals to, sorry, when it is closed, simply, no problem. When the switch is closed, the voltage across this branch is what? 10 volts, right? 10 volts. Therefore, V is equals to what? 10 is equals to, this is current, right? Let us say I into 1, that is I, plus 1 by C integral I dt. That's it. Taking Laplace transformation, you can have what? 10 by S, which is equals to I of S plus I of S by S, 1 into S, right? From this, I of S, which is equals to what? 10 by S plus 1. We all know that by inverse Laplace transformation, I of t should be equals to what? 10 into e power minus t, right? Where tau, which is equals to 1 second. From this, we can conclude that what is the representation? 10 into e power minus t by tau, right? That is the actual representation, but we can say that tau is equals to 1 second only. The option is 1 second. Or we can say that, or we can calculate by another method. We know that time constant t, tau is equals to R equivalent into C, RC. If it is RC, RC. If it is RL circuit, L by R, right? To find time constant, open all the current sources and close all the voltage. So that's it. Means what? We have to calculate the R equivalent. To calculate R equivalent, we have to open all current sources and short circuit voltage sources. Therefore, the circuit becomes what? This is This is R equivalent. Given that this is 1 ohm, this is 1 ohm, therefore R equivalent is what? 1 plus 1. Sorry, this is short circuited. Sorry, the path of the current should be like this. There is no use of this. Therefore R equivalent is what? 1 ohm only. That's it. Given C is what? C equivalent is what? 1 farad. Therefore time constant tau is equals to R equivalent C equivalent, tau which is equals to 1 into 1, tau is equals to 1 second. That's it. This is another method. Next problem, the network shown in below is initially at rest. What is the initial current I when the switch is closed? Very simple one. When the switch is closed, obviously what will happen? Inductor, given that initially at rest, what is the initial current? He wants the initial current only. Okay, no problem. When the network is initially at rest, therefore inductor acts as open circuited and capacitor acts as short circuited. He wants the initial current only, initial current I. Therefore initial current what? Which is equals to 50 by inductor acts as open circuited, capacitor acts as short circuited. This is open circuited, this is short circuited, right? Simply what we have, supply voltage by 5 ohm branch, that's it, which is equals to 10 amps of current. Option C, that is have what? 50, which is closed. This is the circuit. This is short circuited, this is open circuited. This is 5, this is 50. Therefore the current is what? Circulated in this loop only, right? That is the current, initial current, that is 10 amps. Next, fifth one, the circuit as shown below is in the steady state. When S is closed at t is equal to 0, what are the values of V and dV by dt? What are the values of V and dV by dt? Let us take before closing the switch, t is equal to 0 minus. So when t is equal to 0 minus, inductor behaves as what? When the circuit is so given that the circuit is in steady state, that is inductor behaves as axle open, sorry, short circuited, steady state, right? Short circuit, and capacitor acts as open circuited. Clear? Therefore the circuit becomes what? 2 amps of current, and this is short circuited, this is 2 ohm branch, and this is open circuited, right? This is short circuited. What is the value here? It is 2 ohm, 2 ohm branch, this is 2 amps. That's it. switch. Therefore, inductor behaves as what? So, you all know that IL 0 minus should be equals to IL 0 plus, like that VC 0 minus should be equals to VC 0 plus. So, VC 0 minus is equals to what? The current through this branch is what? Given that, which is equals to what? Is there any value? No. Therefore, it is 2 amps of current through this. This is what? 2 amps of current. Therefore, IL 0 minus is what? 2 amps, like that. This is 2 into 2, which is equals to 4 volts. Okay, this is initial case. Now we have to get when the switch is closed. So we have to represent the inductor with current source, and we have to represent the capacitor with voltage source, like this. Okay. After closing the switch, that is T is equals to 0 plus, we have to represent the inductor with current source, right? Next, this is 4 volts. 4, this is 2, this is 2, this is 2, this is 2. Simple. By KCL, this minus 2 is entering. Let us say minus 2. This is 4 by 2 plus C into dV by dt, which is equals to 0. Okay. The current through this capacitor. Okay. 4 by 2. From this, C is what? Given that any value of C, 1 farad. So minus 2 plus 1 into dV by dt, which is equal to 0. From therefore, dV by dt is equals to 0. dV by dt is equals to 0. And the value of values of V. V is what? 4, right? 4 and 0. Next, the switch of below circuit as open for long and T is equal to 0, it is closed. What is the final steady state voltage across the capacitor and the time constant of the circuit we have to calculate. Solution. Steady state circuit is what? Capacitor is open circuited. This is open circuited. This is 10 kilo ohm. This is open circuited. This is 10 kilo ohm. This is 20 volts. So we have to calculate this voltage. Therefore, V, which is equals to what? Apply current division principle. 10 by 10 plus 10 into total voltage is 20. That is 10 volts of voltage. Okay. Time constant is what? Tau is equals to R equivalent into C. What is the value of R equivalent? Tau is equals to R equivalent is what? 10 kilo ohm is parallel with 10 kilo ohm, which is 20 into 10 power minus 6. C is what? 20 microfarad. So tau is equals to 10 into 10 by 10 plus 10, that is 5 kilo ohm. 5 into 10 cube into 20 into 10 power minus 6, which is equals to what? 0.1 second. Therefore the answers are what? 0.1 second and 10 volts. 0.1 and 10 volts. Next one, this is the nature of current response I of t for t greater than or equal to 0 for the network shown is what? Okay, let us say, see, 5 volts R, L and across capacitor only we have 5 volts. This is C, right? So from this we have that 5 volts is nothing but, let us assume, that is step voltage. Assume, right? Therefore the circuit becomes what? Plus minus capacitor, we have 3 ohm branch, like that. So for this inductor we have represented with what? S. L value is what? 1 Henry, right? This is 3 ohm. This is what? 2 by S. C value should be equals to what? 0.5, right? 2 by S, clear. This is what? 5 by S. Then the current through this is what? I of S. That's it. So from this, I of S should be equals to 5 by S by, you can say that 8 plus simple R plus Ls plus, wait, you can say that voltage by R plus Ls, that is S plus 1 by Cs, clear, which is equals to 5 by S square plus 3s plus 2, that's it. So let us assume S square plus 2 zeta omega ns plus omega n square. From this S square, what is the equation? 3s plus 2, right? Therefore zeta is equals to what? 3 by 2 root 2, which is equals to what? 1.06, which is more than 1. Therefore the system is what? Therefore system is overdamped. System, that is zeta more than 1. So for the system, overdamped system, what is the response? Option B is correct. Response is, already I have discussed this point with different graphs, right? Just go through them once. This is C of t, okay, or I of t output, right? See, what is the graph? Like this we have to get. So this is the overdamped system. For this is the response, okay.